You can see here how the bar is about full. It'll actually disappear when the operation's complete. At that point, we can add the RSI values. We'll let that go ahead and complete, and we'll click on the determinate price oscillator, which is zeroed out. We're working on the glitch. It'll be available soon. Once we have those in place, we can add the harmony scores. We'll go ahead and sort it by that. We'll add a little price check on it, and that's how you create a pretty solid list of stocks to start with. And once you have that, you can export it. And I usually call mine something like scan bank price under 777 scored above 17, and whatever else you want to put in there with harmony score. And then I can take that file, and whenever I want to scan that group of stocks, I can bring that file into here. And use it as my focus list, and then I'll push it into the active tickers to search, and I can just use that to keep scanning that group of stocks. And you can do that with different criteria to isolate what you want to see, and that's how you create effective stock banks that you can scan. Now that I have the RSI scores in here, I'm going to look at some of the ones that are scoring more bullish. I'm going to export the ones that, let's just say, are above 50, like the really bullish ones right now. And I could do this. I hit the purple, and it exports these selected rows. And now it's just those ones that are above 50 with their RSI. And I can add a harmony score again. And do stock scores, alerts. I usually check and make sure there's no volatility squeezes. That's a pretty strong one. I'll add a volatility squeeze to my buy list. I'll loosen these up just a little bit, and we'll get a more inclusive buy setup. So now I'm looking at these guys right here, and then I can put in, what my target price range is, and it highlights those for me. It's a great tool. There's a probability calculator in here where you can put in different things about the stock, and it will calculate how much of a chance it is to keep going up. So with those settings, it says there's a bearish potential. You go through and set your settings however you want, and whatever the stock is, and it'll give you a pretty good clue about which way it's supposed to go.